Hey friends, if you encounter the error Windows could not prepare the computer into to boot into the next phase of installation, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to remove the peripherals. Why? Because peripherals like printers, scanners, cameras, etc., they interfere with the existing drivers on the system, and that conflict will cause this problem. Now the next one is to update all the drivers. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, select Advanced option, select Optional Updates and install any update that is available on the page. And lastly, update Windows 2. So right click on the Start button, Settings, Windows Updates and click on Check for Updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.